You think there's a beeper?
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
I want to sew back up.
Somehow I think you just might.
See?
Yeah, isn't that something? It's very hard to stop yourself from doing that.
Look at all the tape.
I do that on the Android phone all the time, but then again on the Android phone you just turn it sideways so no harm done. Correct.
Beeper, beeper.
Is it all unwound yet?
No.
Let's see how much is there?
Grandpa?
Mm-hmm.
Unload it. You see? No. This will work. You see, look at my thing has to do. No wonder why it dropped me.
Are you helping? Did you fix your hat?
No wonder why I talk from the machine. Look at what tape there is. There's not. See?
Oh, where's it going?
It's really on the tape. See, I can't pick it up by the tape. Look.
Is it rolling?
You see, there's more tape even. Weston doesn't see this. You see, it's supposed to be going around. But look at the, see?
Is it all unrolled yet?
No!
Not yet?
Look!
Now it is, right?
What if I put this in my machine?
Roll it all back
Just
up?
that. And then it gives it all to us. But it wouldn't take very long.
Now can you throw it all up in the air at the same time?
I can't get it, I'm stuck in his seat.
Look. It's like tall. It's like tall. You see how the stickies. Look at all the tape. Look. That's using a lot of tape.
It's going. Oh my goodness, that's still a small one, isn't it?
What?
That's still only the small spool. The other spool has
Bubby, Bubby. Look, see? I stuck it to his teeth. There's still some stuff. There. You see, we're all playing the tape together. You see, it wasn't so bad when we took a walk. You see the muffin table. You see, it's giving the tape now to us. We have the rollers to roll it back up and everything. Look, see? We're moving it. Whoops. It all stops the door. Look, see, I didn't roll it stand up yet.
still going.
Look. Oh, finally.
That's a lot of tape on there.
Look, no wonder my machine no wonder why it took 2 minutes.
Did you know the tape was that long?
No, look. Look, there's even more. There's more in the
Takes a
left.
lot of space to put your movie on.
Yeah, where's Grandma?
With Mommy.
Oh. You see, look, this Grandpa. This is your tape.
Mm-hmm.
You see, look what we did with it. Look, I kept stopping on the tape.
You're not rolling it up, are you?
I'm unrolling it.
Okay.
It's going down.
Okay. Okay.
Look!
Oh, grief. What happened? Oh.
It's tape.
The tape got disemboweled when we were gone.
Look,
They should get a yardstick and a measure.
I'm putting more tape even.
That was wrong.
It's fixed to their feet. They're going up.
We should get a yardstick and then we could measure the amount of tape.
No, but look, there's hundreds of it though. What if this goes for like 2 miles or so? How many miles do you think this is, Grandpa?
Less than a mile.
How much space do you think there is on there?
1,000 feet. How's that?
Look, see? What? What's that, Gavin?
That fish just doesn't want to get caught.
Hey, look at me. Telling me. Look, see? It's giving. This is the tape. This was
It's stuck on your swindle.
How many meters are a toy?
I don't know.
You thought about the end yet?
Nope.
Yeah.
Across the board or some area?
Walk further away.
And taking all this tape. No, didn't touch it. It was back. When to go?
Yep. No, not in the mouth. No, I'm taking a picture, okay?
We're gonna have to stick the report to place. They showed them off on
Get it all in the air at the same time.
Stop.
You're dragging it with you.
Look, see? I'm eating all the tape now. I'm eating it up. See? What's the other one? I'll get one.
All in the air. Can you get it all in the air now?
So, yes.
Oh my goodness, you can get that into one bundle.
Oh. Now we'll go.
Good job. Do it together. Calvin, do it together with friends. You want to do it every day.
I mean, it's like a bed.
You're going to hatch some more of it?
It's like a bed.
Yeah, it is.
It's all out of tape. You see? Like out of. You see, it's a bed.
Now what happens if you go to sleep on it? Can you sleep on it? That's good. Now are you a scary thing? Whoa.
There you go. Remember, you'll have competition for it.
Do your hands wiggle? There we go. There. Now say goodbye.
Look, see?
Do you want to take a bow and say tell them the end of the video? Back up a little bit. No, back up. I can't see you too much. There we go. Okay.
Yeah, she'll make enough to let him go.
Done.
Another one, the other side.
Yeah, hold your. No, please make it.